One of the big problems with IVF clinics, and especially the corporate chains of IVF clinics, which specialize in doing IVF, is that they tend to do IVF for everyone who comes to them. This is exactly how the scam operates. First is they need to acquire patients. They actually call this cost of customer acquisition. They either do this through ads on websites or on social media, or they do this by running free infertility camps. Now, if it's a free infertility camp where you get a consultation with a doctor free, or you get lab tests done free, who's going to say no to this? Or sometimes these tests are done at a highly discounted rate. So, yes, okay, fine, you're having a problem getting pregnant, go to this free infertility camp, and they put up these huge banners all over the city, or they run all these full page ads in the newspapers so that people go. And how is this a trap? You would say, isn't that the right thing to do the tests? The reason it's a trap is because all these tests are manipulated. The results are manipulated. Every man who goes into this lab comes out as being infertile. Guess why? Because his semen analysis, even if it is completely normal, is reported as having teratozoospermia or abnormal sperms. Now, the tragedy is it's very easy to label everyone who comes to you as teratozoospermia because you don't provide any documentation at all. And that's why it's so easy to take these patients for a ride. And poor patients don't understand too much, or they blindly trust the doctor, as a result of which the entire reputation of all IVF clinics across India is going for a toss. Because the focus now in a lot of these IVF clinics is to do as many IVF cycles as possible. And the best way to do this is to convert anyone who walks through your door into an IVF patient. And the easiest way of doing that is by reporting every semen sample as having teratozoospermia. As a result of which you're seeing so many IVF cycles being done for patients who don't need it. And the reality is a lot of these patients will promptly get pregnant in their bedroom without requiring IVF at all. But the damage which is being caused to the reputation of all IVF clinics in India is immeasurable. Huge tragedy.